In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck Device and System Info. It has to be from Flare to developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then read all of those informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!